Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, and today I want to talk directly to you, my friend, about something many men over 60 quietly struggle with: weak, tired, or cramping legs. Meet Harold. He's 72 and used to take brisk morning walks every day. Lately, he noticed his legs felt heavy, stiff, and sometimes cramped so badly at night that he couldn't sleep. He assumed it was just getting older and something he had to accept. But here's the truth. It wasn't age catching up to him. It was something much more preventable, hiding right in plain sight, in his fruit basket. Weak legs, nighttime cramps, that heavy feeling in your calves, these aren't just normal signs of aging. Research shows that over 60% of adults over 65 experience regular muscle cramps or leg weakness, and many could ease it simply by choosing the right fruits. Today, I'm going to reveal 6 fruits that can strengthen your legs, improve circulation, and reduce painful cramps, plus the science behind them and practical ways to include them in your daily life. But before we jump in, I want to hear from you. Have your legs ever given out when you needed them most? Type 1 in the comments if yes, or 0 if not. I love hearing your stories because here at Health 365, we read and reply to every comment. And of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a simple science-backed tip that could keep your body stronger every day. Have you ever been told that jackfruit is just a sweet tropical treat? Well, it's true that it tastes amazing, but it's also a natural muscle protector. Jackfruit is packed with potassium, which helps balance electrolytes and keeps muscles from contracting too tightly. Harvard scientists have found that diets rich in potassium can reduce the risk of muscle cramps and leg weakness by up to 40% in older adults. Here's a real-life example. Robert, 68, a retired bus driver from Texas, struggled with sudden calf cramps whenever he walked. He often woke up at night to painful spasms. His doctor checked his blood and found his potassium levels were lower than normal. Instead of supplements alone, Robert began adding jackfruit to his weekly diet, fresh when in season, frozen, or dried when not. Within weeks, his nighttime cramps reduced dramatically, and he moved with the ease of a man 10 years younger. Jackfruit also contains vitamin B6, which supports nerve-to-muscle communication, preventing numbness or weakness, and fiber that improves blood flow and energy. Simply put, it works on multiple levels to support your legs. How to add it to your routine: fresh jackfruit when available, frozen or canned in water, not syrup, smoothies, fruit salads, or lightly baked side dishes. The key is consistency. A few times a week is enough to start noticing the difference. Next up, plums. Small, sweet, and surprisingly powerful. Like jackfruit, they're rich in potassium, but their effect is swift and precise. They regulate muscle contractions quickly, helping prevent nighttime cramps. Janet, 71, loved gardening but had to stop after 30 minutes because her calves tightened painfully. Her doctor noticed low potassium in her blood tests. She started eating 2 plums daily instead of cookies or chips. Within a month, she could garden longer and even saw improved blood pressure. Plums also contain polyphenols, antioxidants that protect blood vessels, ensuring better blood flow to your legs and stronger bones. Practical ways to use plums: fresh in season, sliced on cereal, as a naturally sweet afternoon snack. Even if you don't notice it immediately, over time, your legs will feel lighter, your steps easier, and cramps will become a memory. Fruit number 3, cantaloupe, hydration hero. Hot summer days often bring heavier, weaker legs. The culprit? Dehydration. Cantaloupe is nearly 90% water, keeping your body hydrated while nourishing muscles. George, 73, felt his legs dragging during summer walks. Adding chilled cantaloupe daily improved his cramps, energy, and even sleep. Cantaloupe is also rich in potassium and vitamin A, which protects muscles from oxidative stress. Ways to use cantaloupe: cubed and chilled as a snack, blended into smoothies, mixed with berries or mint for a refreshing salad. Think of cantaloupe as a gentle support system for your legs, especially when heat and activity make them feel heavy. Fruit number 4, coconut water, nature's sports drink. Many athletes reach for sports drinks after exercise, but coconut water works just as well, naturally. Packed with potassium, magnesium, and sodium, it restores electrolyte balance, preventing painful muscle spasms. Just 1 cup after a walk or gardening session can reduce cramps and fatigue. Mix it with fresh fruit juice or freeze it into ice cubes for smoothies. Coconut water isn't just refreshing, it's a mineral-packed helper for your legs. Fruit number 5, avocado, creamy circulation booster. Avocados aren't just for guacamole. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats, improving blood flow and muscle contraction. Linda, 69, loved line dancing, but her calves often locked up. Adding half an avocado to breakfast 3 times a week kept her legs cramp-free during long dance sessions. Ways to eat avocado: mashed on whole grain toast, sliced in salads, blended into smoothies. Regular avocado intake can help slow sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, keeping you active and independent. Fruit number 6, bananas, the anti-cramp fruit. Bananas are one of the easiest ways to maintain leg strength. Their high potassium and vitamin B6 help muscles contract and relax properly, preventing nighttime cramps and fatigue. Frank, 72, a retired firefighter, enjoyed fishing, but cramps often cut trips short. A simple banana before outings reduced his cramps, giving him confidence and energy. Bananas also provide easily digestible carbs for sustained muscle energy. How to include bananas: breakfast cereal, smoothies, afternoon snack, frozen slices as a creamy dessert alternative. Strong legs aren't just about fruits. Here's how you can supercharge your legs naturally. Protein builds and repairs muscle. Older adults need 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram per day, spread across meals. Include eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, fish, or plant-based proteins. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and protect nerves. Sources: salmon, mackerel, sardines, fish oil, or algal oil. Collagen peptides support tendons, ligaments, and joint integrity. Pair with vitamin C for best absorption. Creatine fuels fast twitch muscles, preserves strength, supports bones. 3 to 5 grams daily is sufficient. Glucosamine supports cartilage and joint fluid, reducing pain and stiffness over time. Curcumin, powerful anti-inflammatory, protecting joints, muscles, and nerves. Enhanced forms with black pepper are best absorbed. Top 5 daily habits for strong legs. Movement. Muscles thrive on activity. Strength training, squats, lunges, balance exercises, 1-foot stands, tai chi, flexibility stretches, and low-impact cardio keep legs active. Nutrition. Fuel muscles with protein, calcium, vitamin D, and anti-inflammatory foods. Each meal counts. Rest. Recovery happens during sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Optimize sleep posture and maintain a consistent routine. Hydration. Muscles are 70% water. Dehydration causes weakness, cramps, and joint stiffness. Drink consistently throughout the day. Avoid prolonged sitting. Break up long periods of sitting with short walks, marching in place, or chair exercises. Every movement matters. I know it's easy to feel discouraged when your legs feel weaker, but remember, age is not a sentence to frailty. Small, consistent changes, whether eating a few fruits, sipping water, or standing every hour, can rebuild strength, ease cramps, and restore independence. Your legs can stay powerful, your steps confident, and your life active well into your 70s and beyond. Start today. Choose 1 fruit, add 1 movement, drink more water. Each step counts. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment sharing where you're watching from, and tell me your questions or success stories. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip to stay healthy and active. Remember, small daily habits build big changes. Keep moving, stay nourished, and reclaim the strength you deserve. Your legs and your life will thank you.